This is a book the likes of which you've never seen before. This is a book that by magic takes you to the most beautiful places of your memory. The moments you spent with your family when you were young. Those moments that were full of joy, happiness, and the food that came with it. This is a book that talks back to you and guides you through each step of the making of the recipe. This is a book that takes you through a journey, through a video, showing you every step of everything that needs to be made to create the wonderful food that you once remember having around the table with your family. You will hear their voices. You will see their faces once again. This is a book that's like a portal that takes us to a place where only joyous memory of everything that's beautiful about life lives. This is a book full of stories and recipes and life, the best part of life. Hey, come for the recipe. Stay for the story.